Hey everyone, my name is Syafika Shahirah Binti Anuar, matric number 288109. In this video, I will present about my assignment 1 for programming 2.
So this is how my program looks like. As you guys can see, I'm using IntelliJ for this assignment. So basically there is 5 classes that I've created. So the first one is we have super class named as worker class. We also have 3 subclasses. First is monthly worker class, second is hourly worker class, and the last subclass is commission worker. Apart from that, we also have main class named as APP class. So this is how the main class looks like. So basically, this class will this program will ask the user to enter, for example, enter the pay code or enter the number of workers. And at the end of the program, it will display the total salary need to be paid by the workers. In this part, I will show you how I run this program. So for the first, the program will display welcoming message, which is welcome Magic Copy Sendirian Berhad. The program will ask the user to enter pay code, and I will enter pay code 1. This is for monthly worker, and the number of worker I put 2 worker, and the total salary is 4,000. The program will continue to ask the user, and for this time I will enter pay code 2. This is for my hourly workers, and the number of workers I put 2 workers also, and the hours work I enter 50 hours, and the salary is 3,300 ringgit. Next, I will enter pay code 4, and it will display invalid code because the pay code is until 3 only. For the next code, I will enter code 3. This is for commission hours. The number of worker I enter 1 workers only. So the amount of weekly sale I will enter 10,000. And the total salary is 1,050 ringgit. So to end this program, you need to enter negative number. For example, I put -1, and the program will end, and it will display the total salary need to be paid by the workers, and the program will end.
So, this is the output that I get from the program. The total salary for monthly worker is 4,000, and for hourly worker, the salary is 3,300 ringgit, and for commission worker, the salary is 1,050 ringgit. So the total salaries need to be paid is 8,350 ringgit. In this program, I have implemented 4 principles of object-oriented programming. Now we move to the first principle, which is abstraction. Abstraction is a principle that can achieve by hiding the implementation details of each worker types within their classes. For example, in worker class, the abstraction is used for common attribute, which is non-workers, and method calculate salary that are shared among all workers type. The second principle is encapsulation. Encapsulation is happen when we need to private some data so that other classes cannot access to it. For example, in this program, the details how the salary is calculated for each type of worker are encapsulated within their calculate salary methods of each class. The third principle is inheritance. Inheritance has two types, which is first, hierarchical, and second is multi-level. In this program, I use inheritance hierarchical. As you guys can see, the class of monthly workers, hourly workers, and commission workers is a subclasses from worker class. All the subclasses can inherit all the attribute and method that are from superclass. The last principle is polymorphism. Polymorphism also has two types, which is first, overloading, and second is overriding. In this program, I use polymorphism overriding. Polymorphism overriding is a situation when the same method appear in superclass and subclass. As you guys can see, the method calculate salary appear both in superclass and subclasses. So there is a polymorphism overriding.